Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the incredible Apple AirTag 4-pack. This isn't just any tracker. It's your ultimate solution for keeping tabs on your most valuable belongings, making it one of the best electronics of 2025. What makes AirTag special is Apple's precision finding, leveraging Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with exact distance and direction. Imagine your iPhone literally pointing you right to your misplaced item under the couch. No more guessing games. Setting up an AirTag is unbelievably simple. Just one tap near your iPhone, and it's paired and ready to go in seconds. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, you don't have to worry if it gets splashed or takes a tumble outside. This seamless integration with your Apple ecosystem truly sets the AirTag apart from other Bluetooth trackers on the market. If you're looking to buy the best Bluetooth tracker, the AirTag 4-pack offers incredible value and peace of mind. Check out the official Amazon link in the description below to grab your own AirTag 4-pack today. Stop losing and start finding. The Apple AirTag is an essential gadget for anyone who values their belongings in 2025.